See, got some crab rangoons. Right there is some cream cheese wontons with a toaster oven. Now, air fryer would have been different, and it has the stuff for regular oven. Gotta really change up the times, pay attention to it, watch it, because if you let it go too long, it'll round up too much. But quick, easy, pull it out of your freezer, or I've had these actually refrigerated. If it had been frozen, it would have been a little bit of a different story, but these were pre-thawed. So, cooked a little bit faster. Keep that in mind also. May the meat be with you.